Okay, it's now transferring. If you get any failure notice, failed to transfer the file, don't worry, we'll transfer it on a later basis, because the free web hosting account, there are some few problems, it gives error, but later on it rectified itself. So as this file is uploading, we can just wait on to upload. So we are almost done uploading file on the server. So before we continue setting up the WordPress through HTTP or through browser, first we need to set up a MySQL database account. We'll set up through the account, and if you go and look out for software and services where MySQL is there, this one is MySQL. We need now click it and set up a username, like I'm giving it a name WP, and my SQL username. First I have given the database name, which is WP, and username is user. Okay, then password, you can give any password, and click create database. So it will show you all the details of your database, like my host server is this one, my SQL host server is different than the FTP host server, and this one my SQL database name, my SQL username, and then password. Now we have done creating this one. Now I'll go straight and remembering the name of the website which we have created. Just click new browser or open new browser and type in the name WP, or type in your selected sub-level domain which we have discussed while creating the free web hosting account. Like mine is site11.com. Now press enter. So here it is, the setup file. Create a configuration file. Okay, click it. So here it will ask you and welcome you to the WordPress site and ask you few details like database name, database username, database password, database host, table prefix. If you want it, you can leave it empty if you don't want it. So let's go. So database name, as you have given in the MySQL database name. So database, this is the database. Put it the database. Remember, if you do mistakes you will get confused, so as I tell you, just follow me. So this is the database name which is it asking, so we'll just paste it. Now it's asking for username of your database. So user is this one where it is written MySQL user. It is your username of your database. Copy it and paste it in username, paste it, and now password which you have given over there, I'll type my own, you type your own. Okay, now database host name, your host name is different and mine is different, so this one is the host name which is created by default or created automatically. Copy it, and you can find the host name as MySQL host. Okay, now paste it in the host. If you get anything which you are not following it, I just repeat it again. Database name will put the host name or database name. So here our database name is the database name. Okay, MySQL database is given on the website, and username MySQL username. Just remove all MySQL stuff just read host database user and you'll get it through. Now submit. So at this time, if you everything went correctly, then you will see this page which is written as alright Sparky, you made it through this part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you're ready, just click it. Or say now we'll install it. Run the install. Click on it. Okay, now it's already done installing it. It's asking for the site name. Just I'm giving it testing. You can try it whatever you want. Testing W or WordPress. Username I'll give whatever Sparky. Okay, give it as you want. Okay, my password. Okay, you give it whatever you like. Email address, just give it whatever you want, or you have give it right just to test it. Okay, this is for me a testing site, that's why I'm removing the link from allow my site to appear in search engine Google. I'm removing it because this is just a demo to show you. I have my own website which is set up and I haven't removed the tick from that site, but from this side this is just for a demo purpose, that's why I'm removing it. I have no use. I'll delete it after showing you all. Okay, you don't remove it if you want to continue it, but remember some feedback and some advices from me that don't carry on with the free host. Always go for the paid host, because free web hosting try to play with the features and sometimes they steal your web traffic and they like bother you in many ways. So it's best to go with the paid hosting server later on. So click install WordPress. So after success you will get a message, success, WordPress has been installed, and we aren't expecting any more steps. Okay, now login. Click it, login, and you'll get a screen with the admin interface. This is the screen. Give the username what you have used. I have used it Sparky. Okay, then password whatever you have given. And click login. Here we are. So this tutorial is completed and you can see everything is ready on a free web hosting server. Everything you can see, even if you want to log into your website, just sign in out or create sign out. Click sign out and just go visit your website, which is based on WordPress. This is my website. Here's your first WordPress working website on free web hosting server. I think this will help you in any way, and this is a small effort from my side. This is Ibrahim signing off, and please leave me a comment to tell you about how this presentation helped you, and if you find any mistakes, any help, you can contact me through comments. Thank you very much. Best of luck and God bless you all.